Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. Today I'll show you how to easily fix low volume problem on your Xiaomi REDMI Pad 2. So first, adjust the media volume. So let me unlock my tablet real quick. And here we have the volume up and volume down buttons. So make sure to keep it all up. And then disable the silent mode, disable the do not disturb right here, and after that try cleaning your speakers. And there's 4 grills, so both on both sides. So here we have 2 and here we have 2. Basically we need to clean them with either compressed air or a soft brush. It's very important. And after that, what you guys can also do is update your software to fix audio glitches. So go to settings, now go to about tablet, and here click Xiaomi HyperOS. Now it will check automatically. As you guys can see, it says no updates available. So that's pretty good. You need to run the latest version because it comes with a lot of fixes, including the audio glitches, the headphone glitches, and much more. So that would be it for this video. I hope it helped you, and if it did, then leave a like, sub, and a comment. Bye.